This video is for a personal friend of mine who got me back working on the bikes. His name's Clint, and his other name is AKA Dark Soul. Anyway, thank you. I got the bikes out first time this year after a long winter. That's my 85 Gyro. They're going to try and tell me it's a three-wheeler and I'll have to get a permit for it or some kind of crap. I don't know. Anyway, here's the Dio. I think I'm going to put a huge carburetor on it, Sudco, and an electronic thing. My problem in uploading the videos is this sitting right here is a $1,100 camera, brand new. It's got every whiz bang. I think it's even got cable TV, but it won't upload to YouTube. And that's where I'm kind of old and still working on it. So that's why I haven't uploaded too much lately. Dio's nice. It's running good. I like the blue on it. And, I love this YSF pipe. That pipe cost me a damn fortune, but I'll tell you what, it is the best, fastest Lamborghini exhaust I've ever had on this bike. It was worth every penny. Now if I could only get these damn planes to get the hell out of my video. So I'm breaking everything out, putting in new batteries. And they're the 600 CBRs still in the garage. And I just want to say thank you, Clint, for helping this old man out and getting me to film again. Rock on.